time I had all these.
Big moves, I'm that dude. But I see
what like they sent me. I ordered all my stuff, but they sent me the wrong ones. So they only sent me 4 of the right ones.
The push terminal.
The 4 gauge.
Okay, yeah.
So they sent me, instead of 4 gauge, they sent me 4 gauges, and then the rest of them were fucking 2 gauges. And I was like, no, I can't have that.
Yeah, you need
so,
the big one.
So I gotta send those back and get those. So, yep, 3-inch voice coil. What are you doing? Stop. Leave that stuff alone.
When you hoping to have them out? What size voice coil on there?
3-inch.
3.
Yeah. Yep.
Black steel.
Oh yeah.
Nice steel too, boy.
Yep. Black aluminum, copper. So
that's what you got in here?
No, this is a different one. This is a smaller version. This is the 1200 RMS. She didn't want nothing too hard. So.
Yeah, just a little something.
Yeah, so I built that for her so she can have a little something. That's it.
Yeah. And this is nice right here. You got. You take two colors.
These subs are gonna be custom to order.
Yeah.
Say if she wants some she wants 5K RMS, I'm gonna build them 5K RMS. And she wants the basket pink, I'm gonna do it pink. So everything's custom. I'm not mass producing them.
There's gonna be one like a one-off almost type deal.
6,000 colors you can pick from. So
you doing different type of spiders? You doing all spiders like that?
You can. Yeah, like I said, you'll be able to go on my website, go in and customize it. Literally customize it. So you want a bigger motor, I'll do a bigger motor. You want a smaller motor, I'm gonna do a smaller motor. This is a 260 ounce motor, this one's a 120 ounce motor. So,
big boy, you doing all 12 in the bill?
Yep. And then he's going with the 15, so whenever I do mine, I'm gonna build him and whatever.
Yeah. On the 18, he got 18, right?
No, the envoy right here.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, he wants 615, so I'm gonna do 615s, about 3K RMS a piece.
Woo. Yeah, man. So you ain't got your website up yet, do you?
No, not yet, not yet. So I still gotta. The guys, it's just a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot to it, ain't it?
It's just a lot. That's all it is.
What's up, man? Sadistic Sound.
Yes, this is gonna be the SSV1, the Sadistic Sounds version 1.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, this is the SS112, the Sadistic Sounds version 112.
Yeah.
Then I'm gonna have the 15, which is the ones are basically the 2,000 or 2,500 RMS a piece.
So like you gonna go to 15s to 18s and everything?
I'm doing 6, 8, 10, 12, 15s, 18s, 21s, and 24s.
Well, what can I find you on social media anywhere?
Yeah, I'll follow you.
Let them know for the YouTube.
Right, Sadistic Sounds. That's all you got to do.
Y'all be sure to go ahead and follow.
Yep, Sadistic Sounds.
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
Right.
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.